today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. All you need is one sheet of paper. First, you fold your paper in half. Always make sure it is even. And then you fold it one more time. Then you unfold it one time and make sure this part is facing down. Then you take these corners and fold them to the middle. Then you take this part and fold it up. Make sure there's one more thing here. Then you flip it over and do the same thing. Then you open it. Then you push this down. And now it looks like a square. Then you take this part and fold it up. Do the same thing on the other side. And then now you do the same thing all over again. And then just one more time. And then you open this part, and voila, you have your boat. This is how it looks like.